Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, 3rd of August 2021, and as always we are going to start with the Forex calendar review. What do we have here? Plenty of data from Japan in form of a national CPI monetary base, and as you can see, nothing is quite of a surprise here, so those data will not have much influence on the markets. The key event had been already done because it was a Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision and monetary policy statement. As you can see, the interest rate were kept intact at the level of 0.1%. So we will take a look at the Australian dollar for sure. During the London session we have some data scheduled for release, but not they don't have much influence on the market. The same situation is during the New York session. ABC manufacturing PMI from Canada might be one that will give some increase some volatility on the financial markets, scheduled for release 3:30. So kind of a quiet day in terms of the macroeconomics data today, except for the RBA interest rate decision. So let's take a look how the markets reacted on the decision of the Reserve Bank of Australia. So the Australian dollar keeps going lower. The Australian dollar keeps going lower, and the level of 7,415 pips is still the key technical resistance for this market. As you can see, we tried once to break it. We tried today for the second time to break it. So far, no avail. Still 7,450 is the level of the technical resistance. And please notice that we are still trading below this long-term trend line here. We got some kind of a bullish engulfing pattern made from the lows of 7,291 pips, but this bounce wasn't that strong at all, because 7,415 is still the technical resistance. In case of a breakout higher, then of course the bulls will try to test the technical the trend line first. The trend line first around 7,450, and then of course we will try to they will try to hit the 7,483 level, which is the nearest technical resistance. The momentum is picking up from the negative territory. For now we got 44 points. Well, it's still not quite much, because the neutral level is here. This is the 50 level, so this is the neutral level. As you can see, that's on the neutral, so we need to break above the level of 50. That means the RSI must increase. That means the momentum must increase, of course, higher. And for now, market is still in negative territory despite the recent bounce. The sentiment is negative. The sentiment is rather bearish, and the bears are in full control of this market, as you can see here. Next support, except the 7,346, which was violated already, so we will put it lower towards this level, and this one will be another immediate technical support. 7,318, 7,291, and the other one is 7,244. Those are the technical support levels valid for now. So that's the Australian dollar. Let's see whether the crude oil did something recently. As we can see, very interesting price action on daily time frame chart of the crude oil. What's happened? We have a clear bearish engulfing here yesterday very nice volatility, high at $73.92, low 70.56, very nice volatility and bearish engulfing. So what bulls had been trying to do here, I guess they tried to break above this trend line, above the upper old main channel line as well. They did it 2 days ago. As you can see, we got this candle here, the green candle, but then bears pushed the price right back below this blue short-term trend line, below the upper channel line as well, with one candle. So we are getting closer towards 70.10, which is the technical support for the price, and of course we are getting closer, if we break below 70.10, we are getting closer 67.97, 67.06, which is the zone of the technical two technical supports, which is the demand zone. And then of course the lows of the July 2021, which are located at the level of 65.18. So this looks like the current break in the momentum above the level of 50 was very short-lived. So let me just the coordinates, I will change it for 50, full 50 level. Okay, so that's the full 50. We have broke above it, and now as you can see we are back below the 50. If that move down expands below level of 70.10, this market will be under the control of bears for a short term. So this is how it looks like on the crude oil. Let's see how about the bigger trend. The bigger trend is still up, as long as at least 15%, 16% correction is done again. So as I said, 65.18 must be violated in order for the crude oil to have a temporary top at $77.01. Let's say we want to see what is going on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What is going on here? Let's just zoom in. Yes, we are moving inside of the channel. What is going on inside of the channel? Then we will extend our channel a little bit. So let's just about that. Okay, that's enough. We have a pin bar here, of course, that's correct. We have the technical support, but clearly right now we got another one here. Right now the most important technical support is 33,230. So what is going on the Dow Jones? We are still moving inside of this very wide channel, ascending channel, and the market keeps going higher. We have a new all-time high yesterday and even 2 days ago. So for now I think it was the level of a 35,162 points on this market. So that's nice, but please remember we have a rejection once on the level of 35,000. We have the second rejection here. We have the third rejection, smaller, but still. That's the fourth rejection. That's the fifth rejection of this level. Well, it's kind of interesting what bulls are trying to do right now. So far, they have been continuing their up move even after the rejection. Of course, we have the wave A, wave B, wave C, a very nice free wave correction, then new high, again very dynamic correction, then a new high. Well, it looks like we might have some kind of a correction coming on soon, maybe even this week. Please remember, Friday is the NFP day, non-farm payrolls day. Might be interesting to see how the Dow Jones Industrial Average will be traded in during this event. I think we should put this immediate technical support here, which is why it will be, of course, green. The immediate technical support 34,862. The other supports are 33,740, and the key technical support for the Dow Jones is 33,230. So right now it's okay, we are going up, uptrend is intact, longer term uptrend is intact, but please be careful because we might have soon a very interesting pullback to the downside. The lower we go, the better for the bulls to buy again and then try to make another all-time high on this market. So that's my analysis for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye.